Hello everyone, welcome to another really quick video. Today I will show you how to use ZenoChat or ZenoChat. This is a ChatGPT alternative. It is a very good alternative for ChatGPT. Now as you can see, basically ZenoChat or ZenoChat is a ChatGPT alternative, which is an add-on on Text Cortex algorithm. So basically what Text Cortex is a copy AI or Jasper AI alternative where you can write anything you want. But as you can see, you can also go and you can visit ZenoChat. ZenoChat is basically that ChatGPT alternative. So if you want to add it to browser, just click add to browser. And here you will have your add to browser or add to Chrome button. Add it to Chrome, and then as you can see, this is the icon right here. You can click on it and this will basically bring out the Text Cortex or ZenoChat pop-up, and then go here, open sidebar. And then once you open the sidebar, obviously we'll need to just wait a little bit. If it's not opening, then you will need to go and you will need to click on open the sidebar. Now, as you can see, I already have a sidebar somewhere here, right here, as you can see. And then I can go here and I can open a sidebar. Now, what I can do here is pretty much the same thing that I would do in ChatGPT 4 or 3. I can go and I can search the web. If I want, I can search the web. If I don't want to search the web, I can just disable it. But let's say I want to search the web, and let's say I want to basically say something like, give me an estimate of, or for example, give me a net worth of Elon Musk. Then I hit enter and I will basically get the answer. And this is much more better in terms of, it's more advanced than ChatGPT because it's actually downloading the information or retrieving the information from the web. So, which is really awesome. And I can basically get 10 of these prompts a day. Unfortunately, right now, I can do that with free trial. If I want to go and get unlimited, I will need to pay 20 euros a month. But this is pretty much how to use ZenoChat. It's very simple. If you have any questions or comments, comment down below, and we'll see you in the next video. Thank you guys for watching.